Based on what I have mentioned before, I think, and description I have given about what benefits they are going to get, and if you believe that this kind of education is unique, so what you are getting as individual, first of all, you are going to be very professional in what you are doing, and with a lot of practicality in the background, and this gives you a very solid stand. If you are professional in theoretical only, then when you go to sites, you will have problems definitely, and you have issues.
Sure.
But if you are getting knowledge from practitioners, this gives you better and solid stand.
Yeah, so we can say that our students will be productive since the first day in a company.
Yes, and we have tested this. Our students graduate from the academy, they were productive from day one on site, and they have seen situations that they were ready for on site. So this brings them to a higher level, and they became very valuable.